What's up, guys? Me and Caden just arrived at the movie theaters. We're gonna be going to see Creed 3 today. Big hype, but that's not the reason of the video. What you guys came for is to watch a beat be made, and that's going to happen. Just stay tuned.
Hell yeah.
We're in the Brockport College Town. That's the theater we went to. It was decent and cheap. The movie, it was mid. Worst of the 3 Creed movies for sure.
For sure.
Yeah, worst of the 3 Creed movies. What made it even worse was we had some fuckers that wouldn't shut up the whole goddamn movie.
And the dude that kept like squeaking behind us was driving me crazy, dude.
And then, dude, those kids were laughing the whole fucking time. I mean, that's what you get when you go to a college town theater, I guess.
Yeah.
But movie was mid. We'll see you guys when we're ready to make the fucking beat. This motherfucking car can't even park in a spot, goddamn. This is the freaking theater we were at. Pretty dusty, but you know, it's nice inside. Small. We got the one big theater though. We're chilling. Alright, so right now we're just in the cut. He's got his speakers, his whole studio set up right here. It goes crazy. I'll get to making the beat in a second. Alright, so the master's in action. Beat is starting to be created. He's making the loop.
No, I'm using the loop.
Using the loop.
I'm not making this. Shout out to Beats by Nevermind for this loop. This shit, guys.
Alright, so he's got some software to figure out the notes.
Sound like such a nerd, bro.
The beat's going crazy. That's crazy. Kid's a master. Follow him. Swayze Beats. I'm gonna leave his link in the description. This shit just crazy to me. I don't even know how people do it. Fucking computer shit? Hell no. I need people to edit my videos for me. People to make thumbnails for me. This motherfucker makes a whole beat. What? Hold up, guys. Just wait. I don't even know what he's doing right now. What's this?
It's just like adding effects. So here, this is without. That's just regular. That's with.
Ooh! Hit. About to get me freestyling on this bitch. White boy from the. Now we putting some drums in. This is on FL Studio, by the way.
Chill, bro.
We just sent part of the beat to Perko. He's never gonna see it because he stopped looking at shit. He went Hollywood. But the beat is coming a long way. I don't know how percentage wise, we're getting there. Alright, so he wants my opinion.
Do I keep the piano like this, like slower? Like just for this part though.
What's the other option?
Wait, hold up. Something's wrong about this. It's same thing. What is going on? Oh, I see. I'm an idiot. Alright, so keep it short like this. Or like this.
Slow.
So don't switch it up right here.
No.
No.
So I'm putting in the expert opinion, the duster opinion, and we're actually part of making this beat now. Crazy. So I could either make or break this beat right here with one decision, and I said we're keeping it slow. Now we're just putting some final touches on the beat. It's about to be done, and we're gonna play the whole thing for you guys, and that's gonna be the end of the beat making part of this video. Yes, sir. 808s here at the end. Yo, is that what that is?
What?
Is that what that was? 808s?
No, these are 808s.
Oh shoot.
What do you think it was?
Those little bottom things.
The open hats?
Yeah. Play it with the whole beat on those overheads. So clean. Alright, final touch, the beat tag from Kai Cenat. Yes, sir. Play just the beat tag so they know you're not lying. He said it in his live.
Swayze, this shit banging.
Yes, sir.
It's not a lot.
I can't do that.
Yeah. 20 likes and it'll make a song to this. Yeah?
Swear, 20 likes, and the white boy from the suburbs will make a song to this beat. Make it happen. Let's get it done. That's a promise. This kid's about to make 20 YouTube accounts and create and like every single one. Alright, the beat is done. Me and Caden are checking out for this one. This studio sesh. We're gonna try and get Lil Perko to rap on it, which is our hometown artist.
No. Fuck Lil Perko for this one, no disrespect, but we need JB on this shit. 20 likes like this shit.
We need Lil Perko on this beat, and it'll be fire. We can both have it, but his will outrun it. So we need Caden's beats to blow up and Lil Perko to blow up, and it'll go crazy. Listening to another beat. This motherfucker got an exclusive beat tag because after he donated a Kai $3 and got the beat tag out of it, Kai stopped doing it for people. He's lucky. This is original. This is a dope beat tag. Alright, I'm dipping. I'm checking out.
Peace out,
see you,
bro.
boy.
Have a good one.
Fire beat. Make sure you guys tune into that shit. You have a good one, Caden. What's up, guys? That's gonna do it for this one. The beat turned out fire. I'm leaving it in the description. Make sure to go check that out. Please leave a like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Help blow me up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.